What is a wireframe? So according to the UX Design Institute, a wireframe is an outline of a web page or an app. It's usually a two-dimensional skeleton that outlines what you'll include within each view of your web page, sort of like a blueprint. And these wireframes can be built out digitally, or they can even be hand-drawn. So the purpose is to provide a clear and visual understanding of a few things, including page structure, layout, information architecture, user flow, functionality, and also some intended behaviors, which can then be shared with stakeholders and your clients for feedback before bringing it directly into production. So in their definition, they also say that wireframes are used by UX designers and web designers, but I kind of want to amend this by saying that everyone has the ability to create wireframes and use wireframes.